hold on the little stability where you have. Hold on it. Because most of the persons that you're on live with don't like you. And tonight it is so sad. Jabass a pray you. Now hear what Jabass say, him a pray you. It's Jaden. Leave Dyema alone. Do not paint Dyema more than she deserves. Let me say this to you. You see, Araja, you did a chat. You see another argument there? I know you're not here. But you see people will look at Jaden and say, if you not chat Jabass with Dyema, you chat Jabass with Shay. You see Jabass? Don't think say Jabass no hurt. Jabass hurt how perfidious you are to him. Even now when you laugh with Jabass a pray you. If I mean like him, I stay by myself here now. Jabass a pray you, and you can't blame the boy for pray you. Jabass a pray, and if Jabass say not pray, you not trust it. Him a pray. Because one thing I know with a man, him not like when you're fasting, and you're fasting the boy, and you're fasting the boy with Shay, knowing that Shay have all of them secret information and she has stretched for straw. Jabass a pray, Jaden. You're going to say, you tell Shay, say, well, if you don't feel that way, then not go. That's not how the argument is presented, you know. If Shay ever say to you, say she not trust it, you are not going to mildly brush it off and say, well, if you not trust it, not go. You're not going to say that because Shay loves to talk. And you see, the funny part about life is this, Jaden. Even though I listen to my speech, and I tell them, say, make you ride out your storm, you know. I tell them, let you ride out your storm, and with your storm. And people don't understand how life is very funny. Jaden, the same thing that Shay got brought down for, you're moving up in that line, you need to divert. You see, Dyema, I said this, do not give Dyema more than she deserves. If the lady is innocent, she is innocent. And Jaden, there's another thing you're doing. You're very evil, man. You want Dyema to sit on the live and go down in the New York situation because you know it will implicate the two men then. So what is it that you're stirring up, Jaden? Me never like that part, my baby. Me not like that part. You're pushing Dyema's button because you want Dyema to fight your battles. Don't do that. Can you see? And this is the part where I always say people make me sound like hypocrite. And this is the part where people always make me sound like hypocrites, you know. You win a war with Shay, you know, all that time Bill my youth, your birthday come, nobody try flap yourself. Nobody with that. You have to be more prudent. Jabass a pray you. You keep entertaining the Shay arguments until things are come up now that are implicate you in a bad sense. You see it. All me tell you say Jaden, be like Bob until you get the Marley. Put them together you get Bob Marley. That's all I said. It not sound good because you give Shay a voice tonight. You make even the backup singer come out like them and make a new record and it can sell. They put out them album tonight. Tonight was Queenie and Shay's album launch. I say Queen is singing at the back, you know. Nadine Queen is singing at the back, you know. I say, what kind of album that Shay put out? Shay are the things, man.
That youth are wicked. That youth are wicked. Hey youth, you're dead bad. You're wicked no blood clot. You're wicked. You're wicked no blood clot, and me bring up Jabass name. When you ask how Jabass name come up, and me bring it up. Me, because Jabass invite me at the party for send off. And I say, oh, this son so. I say, I don't like that send off party. Yeah.
Wait no, the people them here, me hear the people them I say, Dyema say, Queenie had up on a call with Jaden. This is Queenie. I can tell you how Dyema get to, I mean and Jaden attack first, you know. How me end up attack to Jaden, him call. And him a complain. Say him not like Dyema. And the boy them set him up re. And oh,
me a move loose because if you drop Dyema, because everywhere Dyema there, everywhere me there Dyema there, and the boy them is set up. I figure it out him a talking and I say, anytime you go now with Dyema, figure it out I go know which part you there and them a go set up your life. And them some of them tell me. So I so come now Queen end up at Dyema upon the call.
And me and him a talking now. And him a tell me
all
these things man. I say Dyema don't have nothing. Dyema
that you come back me and look, me no want no come back. My business blooming girl, me no want no come back.
I add Dyema on the call to see if he will tell her himself. Because he's so enough to chat people, and when the people them face him up, I can tell you something. Don't believe. Oh, no.
Class.
Don't believe that Jabass is an idiot. Jabass is a Gemini. We are Geminis. What we do, we sit and by our time, we hear everything what the people them say. Don't believe say Jabass, no believe what she say, and what Dyema say. Who no a Gemini no say. Jabass listen and him believe every fuck what she and Dyema say. Just that here one money, and you see clout and algorithm is fame thing that. So him will right on Jaden ass until him cannot ride it no more. And then when shit hit the fan, him I go tell him say, me believe everything when she and Dyema they say, so we stay. Watch rules. Me tell you how them stay. But nobody now listen to me.
No, sir. That you tell wicked that and me bring up Dyema Jabass name, you know. Because Jabass invite me. Jabass asked me about one send-off party.
Queenie, up there, you know. Jaden, let me tell you this. You see, comes a time in a life, you have to mature and evolve. Let me say this to you. Whatever you do, what you call prank, or you call you build the biggest thing, because everyone that owns the app destroys them. The app has no owner. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Jaden, I choose something I tell you. I choose something I tell you, Jaden. Everybody will claim to say them own the app destroy them. Not go before your time, not ease me a step. May I tell you something, Jaden? It no matter who you sit with and attack off camera, and they might tell you say you're king of the app, you're not the king. You're never the king. Trust me. You are never the king, and you know why I say this? You have someone removed from the back to the front in a split second and you are no more. Why you say that should be check World Dog and Sicily? Check Brittany. I will always tell them that don't think that you guys are making a change. You're in the same arena. The arena belongs to no man. You understand, man? Jaden, I see something I tell you, know? I remember sometimes ago, about 2 minutes ago, when the rankers group up to take it down and you never believe me, you know? You never believe me. Jaden, you know what's fascinating is the fact that most of the persons who are reading for you now, they are the ones who hate you the most. There's no loyalty when it comes to the app, so don't try to define yourself on the app. No, not do it. Don't define, not defiling it. Don't define yourself on the app, please. The app no love nobody. The app no love nobody. The app no love nobody. No, I understand somebody said that she love Jaden. No, it's true. But if you love him, tell him the truth. I did not cause shade for Jaden, you know? We never cause shade for Jaden. Because if we ever cause shade for Jaden, we cause Kitty, Fishy, and Jaden. I never cause shade for Jaden. I cause shade for her dirty ways. That's the difference. You see, because what she did to Jaden, did he deserve it? Maybe. But why it have to come from you? You understand me? You see what is so funny? Is the fact that the story come out, you wanted Dyema to look away and the life tonight, and it's you look away, my baby. When the Jabass situation unfold. It's you look away.
Baby, you never say. You never blood class the Jabass go call man by and the same man the Jabass call by your friend. And the blood class, man them son of a squash this.
That is Roger.
Jabass, if it happens, don't your life.
Jabass, Jabass. I swear by my daughter life. Not like a damn. No time.
Jabass, you never say Jaden. Jaden, stop calling me. Come here, big because
Jaden say to Rot. Dama, you get it wrong. Rot, I'm not talking about.
You liar with me, Jaden. Jaden,
Roger, never reach the level there.
Roger, about phone argument.
Roger.
Jaden, Roger, never in a no call.
Roger call man for me and Iman call the phone.
Jaden, Jabass say Jabass go keep. Jabass go keep. Blood class send that party. Jabass never call Shebada send that party.
Yeah.
Awo. And you say, Jabass don't like your idiot, I say you play him for you say, I mind you, I play Dyema. Look how much time I come cause you make money, I say, no.
So Dyema, alright. Listen now, Jabass name come up.
You see, that's why I repeat myself, because I don't want anybody to manipulate me, I tell me for idiot. Because blood clot Shay say, Jabass call him to send that party.
And Shay say, she not trust Jabass, let me say, okay, not trust Jabass, don't go down the den. What?
Yeah, I say, Jabass call man for blood clot.
No. Right.
Rather than no picture.
Right. Remember, Dyema, listen up, man. Listen up. Yo, Jabass, with the panic car.
You see why if I'm beginning Jabass, me never want mention about no car, because I play my game. Tell me to say Jabass. Me don't want me nobody tap on the phone. You come like say me a pussy, and me a come back on time. So ignore Jaden for days. Days we ignore Jaden for brother. Come here, so what kind of style Jaden come with now? Yeah, me up.
I'm here.
Come up with me. Let me
The only thing with a preacher. I'm here, but I don't know why you're saying. I wonder how this is going on. Me never know why you're so.
Okay. Over liar box, I tell liar, say. See? Over liar box, I tell liar, say. Me the pass on the top of New York.
Come in, the phone about New York.
What you tell us about New York, Taki?
Don't I know me not tell. You tell me, say. I know me not tell. Share that tell. Yes, you tell share every fucking thing.
Let me say this, perpetuate your reign. Perpetuate your little reign where you have on the app. You see, it's not that we deserve the shine, you know. It's just that the shine is given unto us. And not everybody like you, Jaden. People might hear me talk and I say, I lie, everybody loves Jaden. Jaden, no, my baby. And not everybody love you. Me, I tell you the truth from the bottom of my heart. The ones that went, Jaden. Not everybody love you. Jaden, if you never did a mention on the app, my baby, who would I remember you? Nobody. And it's just the truth. I see when they do things like this, Shea Army gather ideas, Zandria Army gather ideas, you know, and they start look at you and say it's an eye opener to many persons who like you. It takes 50 years. Let me tell you something. Moses lived in a Pharaoh house for 40 years. Moses born and bred in a Pharaoh house. And guess what? Fear of them turned against him. All because I'm bloody. You understand me? I'm going to say that to say this. It's the ones who support you the most and don't tell you the truth, they are your worst enemy. Put that in your pipe and smoke it and make it travel with you. We hear some people attack some things, but you don't need that sort of recognition. You know how to do that for yourself. You don't need nobody to talk down to you, Jaden, because you know how to do that to yourself. You see things when me know to do for myself, me not accept it from people, so I'm not going to make them do it. It's true. Hold on on the little stability where you have. Hold on on it. Because most of the persons that you're online with don't like you. And tonight it is so sad. Jabass a pray you. Now care what Jabass say, him a pray you. Jabass handle the situation online like a G, the non-line. Him handle the situation like a G. I mean like the little relationship between you and Jabass. But you see what mountain cause? Because you want Dyema to talk about figure it out then so that you not have to talk it. Jaden, it was evident. I am not the only one who see it, you know. It was evident. You have to be careful because people are going to rank you as you are a troublemaker now. And people are going to start complaining and the evidence are going out there and the joke are going to go through the window. And that's all some of them need to run with it. But sure, don't do that. You see a crash here, park car man. Yeah, juke at the beach. Yeah, get the beach on you front end. Eh? I'll park light, you see the beach up, because we make you queenie. Can she ever park on her back, you know? Yeah, give them something. What you're doing is that you're giving them your power. You're giving them your strength. Not do that. Not do that. Not do that. See it there? See it there? Me have all, I want the voice note there. I want the receipt there. I'm supposed to have it. See it here? And it don't make no sense, you know. Can you carry Jabass name to Jaden so that Jaden can sit down and chat Jabass? The wrong thing with Jaden do is chat Jabass. When you carry Jaden name to Jabass, Jaden don't know how somebody sponsor your trip and everybody want to kill you. Them send fear for kill you. So all of that don't make no sense to me. All of that don't make no sense to me. See the people, I'm just feeling something and say, why am I not in a life? If I could have kicked Jaden, we could kick Jaden them stinking now for dirty cranny face, you know. We could talk Jaden them stinking back. For sure. Jaden disgust my man. Yeah, give the people them your power. You fussy the boy, and you fussy the boy with Shay, knowing that Shay have all of them secret information and she has stretched for straw. Jabass a pray, Jaden. You're going to tell Shay, say, well, if you don't feel that way, then I go. that's not how the argument is presented, you know. If she ever said to you, say she not trust it, you are not going to merely brush it off and say, well, if you not trust it, now go. You're not going to say that because she loves to talk. You understand? And you see, the funny part about life is this, Jaden. People not listen to my speech and I tell them, say, make you ride out your storm, you know. I tell them, let you ride out your storm. And I tell people this, make you ride out your storm. And people don't understand how life is very funny. Jaden, the same thing that Shay got brought down for, you're moving up in that line, you need to divert.